Lily finds a glowing book on a wooden bench, and golden numbers float into the air. Ben, a fluffy white bunny, hops over, and together they open the magical book. In a golden meadow, Lily points to one bright sun shining in the sky. Two beautiful butterflies flutter around Lily as she happily counts them. Lily sees 3 shiny apples fallen on the ground while Ben waits patiently to eat them. 4 little frogs croak and jump on lily pads as Ben tries to hop like them. 5 yellow ducks waddle in a row, quacking as Ben tries to waddle like them. 6 tiny rainbows appear in the sky, sparkling in magical colors. A friendly clown gives Lily 7 colorful balloons that float up high. 8 shooting stars race across the sky as Lily tries to count them all. 9 glowing fireflies dance around Lily and Ben in the dark forest. 10 twinkling stars light up the night as Lily and Ben look up in wonder. The magical book appears again, showing all the numbers they counted. Back home, Lily and Ben smile as they find numbers hidden everywhere.